Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the sketch gun in Admin Guns. First, you need to launch the Admin Guns game on your preferred platform. Make sure you are in a public server, as some features might be restricted in private ones. Once loaded, prepare yourself for an exciting exploration of the game world, as finding this unique weapon requires a keen eye and a bit of adventure. Now, let's begin our search. Start by navigating towards the central hub or the main town area within the game map. These areas often contain many secrets. Remember to check behind larger structures and explore any less obvious paths you encounter. The sketch gun is not usually in plain sight, so thorough exploration is key to success. To pinpoint the sketch gun, focus your search on small, secluded spots. These could be hidden crevices, behind a waterfall, or even under a bridge. The gun is often cleverly camouflaged, blending in with its surroundings, so look closely. Once you spot it, simply walk over to it and interact to add this unique weapon to your collection. Congratulations on finding the sketch gun. To use it, open your in-game inventory or the weapon selection menu. You should see the sketch gun listed among your collected items. Simply select it to equip it to your character. Now you are ready to unleash its unique abilities and have even more fun in the Admin Guns experience. Enjoy your new powerful tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.